The UnicornTrader platform is meticulously engineered and developed with a comprehensive architecture in such a way that all the diverse and complex trading needs that a professional forex brokerage company and modern prop firms need to provide to their global users are fully met, and we consistently fulfill those essential requirements with our advanced technology. Well, as we can see, looking at this chart right here, we can see various types of trades being executed, such as limit orders, sell limit orders, buy limit orders, and standard buy limit trades, all of which are clearly displayed for your review, and sell stop. Well, you can register trades in 4 pending ways. Additionally, you can also take a trade that you have already placed as a pending order. Now, if you simply right-click on your specific order, right there on the pending trade, the menu that opens at, by clicking Convert To, you can change the trade to a sell limit. Also, at the bottom, you can easily modify the order settings in the exact same way, such as converting it into a sell stop order, and you can also change sell trades that were originally sell limits, or conversely, sell stops, to their complete opposite, which would be a buy stop. It is also entirely possible to do this at the top in the same way. Consequently, the trader does not need to go through the trouble of closing the order or identifying the specific price all over again. At the bottom, we can close the trades that have been registered as pending. Alternatively, we can choose to manually specify the exact take profit or stop loss levels for these positions through the modification process. For this specific buy stop order we have here, we can easily go ahead and set a take profit target to manage our gains. Well, as you can see, our stop loss was officially registered right here at this level. And looking over at the active order, specifically on the pending order, where the take profit has already been carefully set, if we hover the mouse, it shows us details that up to this point we can make 29 total dollars in profit, and exactly what the lot size and the specific price of that trading range are. Well, these are the requirements that a trader needs to have. In order to have these features fully available within the specific platform that they are currently using, we have ensured that everything is integrated. In the exact same way, we can efficiently execute various trades, specifically focusing on trades that are standard market orders, and we also have the capability to quickly reverse that market trade whenever it is necessary for the user. Meaning, if our order is a buy, you should modify the order to a sell without closing it. And in a similar fashion, change it if you find that it is a sell order to buy, and then the take profit or stop loss. And similarly, if we hover our mouse over the take profit or stop loss, it meticulously records and displays the comprehensive details of that profit of ours. I can also initiate an additional trading order for the trade I have in this same range, effectively doubling the position size. This essentially means that another trade opens in this same range, doubling the amount once again. Furthermore, I have the flexibility to change one of these double trades to a reverse position. Alternatively, I can also choose to specify that the system should only close out the particular trades that are currently held within hedge trades. Let's see, if I click Close by Hedge now, one sell and one buy of mine were closed. And I'll perform the double again. And here, I'll do close all by hedge again, though we don't have close all by hedge here. And here, I'll open 3 orders. Select the option to close all positions by hedging, and every single one of my active trades will be automatically closed. Following that same exact process, I'll go ahead and open up several more orders again. Well, you see, I can have it specifically close only the trades that are currently in a profit position for me, or I can have the trades that are only in a loss be automatically closed out for me. This essentially means that every single one of the features, all the specific features that a professional trader needs from a high-end trading platform, can be readily available at their fingertips at any time. So we can confidently say that UnicornTrader is quite possibly the only comprehensive platform currently available that can provide the full experience of a professional trading platform to its users or its clients. Well, in the same way, I can tell it to close all the trades that are currently in a loss for me. My trades are always closed with an incredibly impressive and efficient level of speed. So those were the various distinct categories of trade models. And also, right here at the top in the navigation toolbar section that's at the top of the platform, I can go ahead and select the pending order menu. And through the comprehensive type section model configuration, I can efficiently register and manage the specific types of trades I want. Well, the next item, which is the take profit and stop loss, I will now carefully review all of these details for you one more time, demonstrating that the take profits and stop losses are executed by precisely setting them at the closest possible limit available in the system. Okay, as you can see here, if the price touches the stop loss, well, it turns red if it's a loss and green if it's a profit. Right now, the profit status is yellow, which means the price is close to it, meaning the stop loss is about to be touched. I mean, the take profit is about to be touched. Now, why don't we also take a look at the detailed history section? All the trades we have here on this side, it shows us what kind of trade it was. If you take a look at the comment section over here, it clearly indicates whether or not the specific trade was reversed, if it was opened as a double position, and also right here it shows that our trade ended up being closed out with a loss. And if a trade closes with a profit, it turns green in the same way. Well, we don't have any profitable trades. All our trades were closed with a loss, profit. So we've thoroughly explored these different categories of trading strategies and the ways in which we can effectively record different trading methods, which is one of the most interesting parts. Looking ahead to the next version of the platform, we are planning to introduce a significant update to the way partial take profits are handled within the system, meaning that the client can, when they place an order, either buy or sell. They can. You should specify that zero point 0.2 will close out at this price. Let's say it's $65,000, another zero point 0.2. Let's assume we have a one lot trade. 0.2 to close at 65,000, another zero point 0.2 at 66, another zero point 0.2 at 68, and so on until we can for a full lot. You can now record your partial take profits and stop losses, which will be fully accessible for both individual clients and companies in the next upcoming version. Well, if you look right at the very top of the Unicorn Trading Platform interface, similarly, you will find various useful tools such as the crosshair tool, where we can clearly see the pip value and other important details, the specific price of that selected section, the total number of candles, and the overall percentage change. And in the same way, this section gives us complete information. We have the line tools. We can use all the different line tools we have available. And we also have the Fibonacci tools. With Fibonacci, we've also tried to make it fully available to all of your users in a more polished and professional manner. And anyone who wants to can also record changes in the Fibonacci and Fibonacci numbers. Various Fibonacci types. As I mentioned, we've made them available so that users can have a professional tool at their disposal. Okay, simply by pressing down on the backspace key on my keyboard, the tools are cleared out in exactly the same way. We've also included some advanced or more pro tools, even more sophisticated options in this section. In this section as well, every one of these tools comes with its own specific properties. We've carefully prepared and provided a wide variety of unique chart models for this section, which I specifically pointed out at the very beginning of the video, so that users can have a diverse selection of multiple chart types to choose from. And we've also included various time frames: 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, and so on. They can even have much more comprehensive custom time frames if they want. So here I can use a 10-minute chart time frame or a 12-minute chart time frame. In a similar fashion, you can use all of the different time frames available here. That sounds good. There are two distinct themes that have been provided for the user. One is a light theme, which is quite attractive and clean. I actually really like this specific theme. And just like that, the entire theme can be switched back again. And for the web section, the user can go directly to the WebTrader page from within the platform. Now, I've opened my WebTrader interface here. WebTrader also has very good comprehensive tools. All trades, when opened in the trading platform, can also be opened here in real time. Now, I can show you here, although this account is actually different from my other one, it still demonstrates the same functionality perfectly. I'm going to sign into our other different account. Welcome. Okay, well then here is the order that oh, actually, it looks like the market has already closed. Bitcoin. All right. The BTC trading ticker, the current Bitcoin price chart. Okay, the order I'm opening has opened here as well. All right, I'll close it now. Or all the trades. Of course, this one is my gold in Europe. All right, for the next step in our process, I'm going to go ahead and open up another position right here, for example, by taking a look at this Bitcoin to see how the market is moving. It opened up wide on this side just as incredibly fast as before, without even a single moment of delay at all. Well, let's go ahead and execute the order one more time to be absolutely sure. As you can see right here, that order opens up incredibly quickly and smoothly again. I am going to demonstrate it for you one more time. And my total order volume is currently being added to this order.